That was
right?
actually my next question I wanted to ask you is what should companies and technologists be prioritizing
So, okay.
looking ahead?
So I think so. This might just prediction wise, right? So if you're in this space, the some of the big pillars that edge delivery stand on, I think, are just really solid. They're just ones that are difficult to assail. There are definitely people that I've talked to, even in who are very, very, very talented AEM people who are still a little bit like, I'm not quite sure about this.
Hmm.
Um, but they're still very, very solid pillars of like it's super fast the delivery speed is very, very fast.
Yep.
Even if you say, okay, well, they're prioritizing, just scoring really well in Lighthouse. You go, well, fine, you're scoring well in Lighthouse because it loads really fast. But then it's really, really fast to develop on, and that means that it's really, really cheap to run. And so, and you hope that if it's cheap to run too, that those savings end up getting passed on to customers to be able to implement other stuff. All that being said, and we're talking about DA. I really do think that DA is. I mean, now that it's been shown to the world, and it's now just not some secret project that we were working on.
Right.
I think it's going to be the way of the future. I think a lot of things are going to go that way. AEM assets, I don't think is going anywhere. Adobe
It's brought
just
up in like every single
keeps
project.
piling onto